to the buckle, then pull the strap to tighten it. To open, lift the latch. Use of mobile phones is not permitted. Laptop computers, MP3, and CD players may be used 15 minutes after takeoff and must be turned off when seatbelt signs come on for landing. In decompression, an oxygen mask will drop in front of you. Pull it with a jerk. Cover both nose and mouth with it. Pull the elastic strap around your head and breathe. On ground, if aircraft is filled with smoke, escape path lights outside the center row seats will illuminate, guiding you towards the exit. Please read the safety instructions card kept in your seat pocket to locate your nearest emergency exit. Before takeoff and landing, keep window shutters open. In a sudden emergency situation, bend forward with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft stops completely. In case of evacuation, open your seatbelt, remove pointed high-heeled shoes, go to the nearest exit, and evacuate. Thank you.
लाइफ जैकेट की जगह बता देगा। लाइफ जैकेट पहनकर फीते को अपनी कमर के गिर्द बांध लें और देख लें कि फीतों का बकल सही तरीके से बंद हो गया है। फीतों को खींचें और कमर के गिर्द लपेट लें। जहाज से निकलते वक्त इन डोरियों को खींचकर लाइफ जैकेट में हवा भर लें। इन नलकियों के जरिए फूंक कर भी हवा भरी जा सकती है। शीरखार बच्चों को लाइफ जैकेट पहनाकर पहले बकल बांधें, फिर उसमें हवा भर लें। बच्चों के लाइफ जैकेट अमले के पास होती हैं। शुक्रिया।
Ladies and gentlemen, in case of an emergency landing on water, you will have to wear life jackets. Life jackets are placed under your seats. In business class, cabin crew will show you the location of life jackets. Wear a life jacket by pulling it over your head. Strap it around your waist and make sure the buckle has latched properly. Pull the straps tightly and then wrap them around your waist. Inflate life jacket only when leaving the aircraft by pulling these cords. You can also inflate life jackets manually by blowing in these tubes. Infant life jackets should be fastened tightly first and then inflated. Life jackets for infants are with the crew. Thank you.
और सीट बेल्ट बांधते हैं आप बांधने सीट्स आगे कर लीजिए प्लीज आगे, और बेल्ट इसके नीचे से बांधे बच्चे को, बेल्ट इसके नीचे से। कैमरा भी ऑफ कर दीजिएगा।